Marie Curie is one of the most influential scientists in history, and her story shows how determination and curiosity can change the world. She was born in Poland in 1867, at a time when women were not allowed to attend universities. But Marie loved learning from a very young age. She read books, studied at home, and even joined secret study groups where students met quietly to learn subjects that were officially restricted. Her dream was to become a scientist, but to do that she needed to study in a real university, something impossible in Poland back then. So Marie made a bold decision. She moved to Paris, where women could study. The journey was difficult, and she arrived with almost no money. She lived in a small, cold room and often skipped meals because she couldn't afford enough food. But she focused on one thing: her education. She studied physics, chemistry, and mathematics at the University of Paris and quickly became one of the top students in her class. Marie later met Pierre Curie, a French scientist who shared her passion for research. They married and began working together, forming one of the most famous scientific partnerships in history. Their research focused on a strange new phenomenon that scientists didn't understand yet: radioactivity. Marie believed there were undiscovered elements giving off powerful energy, something no one had ever explained before. Working in very simple, uncomfortable laboratory conditions, Marie and Pierre spent countless hours testing minerals, crushing rocks, boiling solutions, and recording data. Their hard work paid off. Marie discovered two new elements: polonium, which she named after her home country, Poland, and radium, an element that produced a natural blue glow. These discoveries were groundbreaking and opened an entirely new field of science. In 1903, Marie Curie became the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, and she later became the first person in history to win two Nobel Prizes in different scientific fields: physics and chemistry. Her discoveries also changed medicine forever. Radium helped create early forms of radiation therapy, which is still used today to treat cancer. Marie Curie's life was not without challenges. She faced discrimination for being a woman in science, worked in unsafe conditions without knowing the long-term risks of radiation, and went through deep personal loss when Pierre Curie passed away. But she continued her research, raised two daughters, and opened doors for future generations of women in science. Marie Curie's story reminds us that curiosity can lead to incredible discoveries, and that determination can break even the strongest barriers. Today, her work continues to save lives and inspire scientists around the world.